There's no sublime just cannot see. In 2020, it's time for the visionary. In 2020. The boys are on the street. They